Shield AI has unveiled new test footage showing the rapid development of its revolutionary X-BAT autonomous combat aircraft, a jet designed to take off vertically without a runway. Although the latest video does not show a real free flight, it highlights major progress in propulsion, stealth testing, aerodynamics, structural validation, and the mobile launch system that could redefine how fighter aircraft operate. Powered by a thrust-vectoring F-110 engine and guided by Shield AI's autonomous Hivemind software, X-BAT is being developed to launch from roads, remote islands, or ships instead of vulnerable airbases. The concept could allow U.S. forces to disperse combat aircraft across hundreds of locations, making them far harder to target. The biggest challenge still lies ahead, proving the aircraft can safely transition from vertical takeoff to high-speed forward flight and back again. If successful, X-BAT could mark a major shift in air warfare, turning almost any prepared location into a launch point for next-generation combat operations.